Hello everyone, my name is NET24. I come from the agency branded in Hanoi, Vietnam.
What do you value the most when establishing collaboration with educators?
Yes, I think that the most important thing to collaborate with the educator is as is the number of students the agent recruit in the last year and the strategy, the future strategy of the agency in next year and more, even those more than 5 year, 2 year, 5 year next. Uh,
Okay.
and the practicals of the agency.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And how do you like the event so far?
Oh, I like so much. I think it's very useful. This event is very useful for agency to meet the educators to make the cooperation. Yeah,
Thank you so much.
thank
Thank
you.
you.